Good afternoon, my mommy. Thank you. Share the video, mommy. Oh, my beautiful mama. That's the way you are beautiful, mommy. Oh, mommy, yeah. Mommy, you are beautiful also. Good afternoon, ma. You are welcome. I'm so tired. I go to work. When they come back from work, that's when I do short video. I'm on a Osayomore. Oh, good afternoon. Share the video, please. Don't forget to put like and love, please. May our soul rest in peace, our father, Osayomore Josep. You are welcome. Share the video for me, please. My mommy, Izua. Thank you, mommy. Thank you. Oh, I love you too. Sandra. Okay, Sandra, I love you too. Thank you, my love. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Yes. Please share the video. Let me see your comments. Don't forget to put your like and love, please. Please, guys. Good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. Afternoon, morning, evening. Depends where you are watching me from. Invite your friends, please, my friends. Share the video, share the video. That's our Papa. May your soul rest in perfect peace. That's the Osayomore Josep, our legend. Oh, I passed away just a few days. Oh, Sandra. Oh, yes, Sandra. My beautiful lady. Share this video. Please invite your friends. We have some topic to share together today. Please. Oh, thank you, my baby. Thank you. Oh, God bless you. God bless you, Sandra. God bless you. God bless you, Mama.
My brother, people wait. Not to get in charge. When I'm back, come and
yes, so please like and share the page or follow the page. Please. Please like and follow this page. Please share the video. Like and love. Please. Oh! Share so that we can talk. I never share the video. I never seen a comment. I never seen a like. Share 50. So let's go. Thank you. Yes. Thank you for your like. Thank you. Yes, so that is our great Papa in the house. May our soul rest in perfect peace. So today we are going to talk about Brother Agamiyehu Oefe, our president in social media. Agamiyehu Oefe Baba. Hello, Daddy Domo. All due respect. We are going to talk about my bros, my big brother, Agamiyehu Oefe. We are going to talk about my big brother in the house, the holy brother in social media, the president of social media. Opiana gwera vijemu. Opiane mose. Mama egwio. Opiana mose so kan. Mama egwio. Opiana ogwa. Evi aluvien vio. Opi yeke. Opi adegi yeke. Ao awa. We are going to talk about my biggest brother in town. Baba knew that Agamiyehu Oefe is a counterfeit. Even if you go on here, my they never bath. They never bath. They never bath. They never bath. If they don't bath, they never even get up to bath. When every money why you must when I was Zosani, I want to do a foot make here. Tia bonnet here, tia bonnet. Ogien will hand them musoni. They never bath, they crazy. May they come on, they made that bang for you. Yeah, when they will send the market. They never bath. They will go market. They not so bad there. Who born there? Baba, I'm going to talk about you today. Yes, so why mu ya football gube? Huh? Unu ya ni my show. That ya ma de brush ya yak bakon. Ya ke football go. I don't really know. Let me go there with them. Go and lele ya wo. Huh? My social president. Ah, a president or me. Oh, Baba ya de go wa will call me. I will deal with them personally. I'm going to deal with them personally. Hey, Daddy. Hello. Arameya uefe baba. Wa talk be. Wa talk be. Only a fine man in the house. Any other fine man in the house is a counterfeit. Share the video for me, guys. Shit. Okay. Padamo Ahel, Damosa, we are going to talk about my president in social media, Aramieyahu or FA. That is the only man I know that is a president, social president. Social president. Only a president or Rimao. Or me. President in me for the social network or social media or social red work. Only me, I don't me beg you know a president or Rima. On one total hair, why you beg better, why you tear bonnet? Only ma. I want what your bonani, wama wumwe, do soto we a class wa. Abu wa walk emane, waemiana, a class ini is not up to that class. Wa beg up the animetana Rameya wefe. It not be in a class. You not go right to the insultant. Because wa me viewer, you come and say na Rameya wefe you want the insult. Who born you? Who born you? When up dani wazo se, when wa musese. When up dani wazo se, when wa musese. Epa I hello. All due respect, Baba. I hail. Ezejian egbomu yan ijolosi yan je gbavo. Igbavo ma ge kwe bie yo wa. Igbavo yan je Baba. Igbavo. So guys, we are going to talk about some boys in Paris here. So I saw some video one of my sister in Paris, the way she's a friend to me, she's a sister to me. Evini away the ikunojo, so we have le at least. Ave boysima, ave otimani bia. Otimani bia ni wamubore webo na wala wo. Wala wo. Wa iwakpawo, wa mai no mu wakpawo wa. Wa do agbini koti re webo. Emma na Emma, what do I been cut it webo? Only my jenna and on plus okwo. Uyaga una mwaga. No ya una yaga ya fi okwo no ro wodeni. Okwo no biene. Ijo mo for that matter. Eto wu na. Eto mi rokpa no wu guys, which is very bad. At please, no matter anything, here what we are recording, I see you say. Many people where I just say that they caught, that they use and fight for their self. Many people not put hand for top of their head. Many people not they do them like shit. But the one when me come they see now, it can't be like said. I don't know as I'll take talking. It can't be like say they don't even get respect for women. They don't even get respect for their own self also. Which is very bad. Ma, it's not good. That time when me dey Paris, that time, boys when me know say they call, they respect their self. They respect their self. Not be now say, okay, for example, now if you to say you can't carry that shit, can't take hit this woman for head. Maybe it fall for ground. What do you want to talk? He brother over come out and say, why you use shit take hit his sister? Now the phone court for Europe again. Yeah, not be Italy. Yeah, not be Spain. Abi. France no need that for year. They don't need that court level for year. And anybody where they court for that court level, the jail where they will give her, you know, will believe he high. I bet more will see the respect. More see the respect to themselves. I know some adult they court on they court. I hear a function no. They know they use and rob mat. Many people when me don't say they court. If you even talk about court for where they will get up, come off for where you dey. They know they use and rob mat. Fish no they eat fish. Meat no they eat meat. But the one when me come they see now, fish they eat fish, meat they eat meat. It good? Anywhere wanna pass, does say Nigeria. Anywhere wanna pass, does say Nigeria. Anywhere wanna go, does say Nigeria, which is very bad. Wanna change. Wanna change. This will not be caught for Europe again. If you walk by wa. Now something make una come on for her, so make una come find una daily bread. But daily bread wanna come find una daily kill. Now una come defend for Europe to fight, to destroy. My brothers, I beg you in the name of God. At least where me for see say court they exist. Now where you go see your fellow person, they intimidate your fellow human being. You go come and you still rescue her. This one a woman. Oh. The court one they don't know the user no woman. At least must still give her respect. Na person mama be that. As woman born you, now so that woman still born pikin where you go come be your leader tomorrow. How you will carry share? Tell white woman like woman where you say you still get woman where they sleep on top for her so. Okay, if your girlfriend you can offend you, na die, na kill you, your killer. I beg, you still get respect. Paris not be like this before. I don't know what it can happen. All the boys when me don't see, where you even know me, I never see them for all this kind of thing. Cause the name when me they hear, I not believe in that person where me know. If not person where I know, it be not they talk. If not the person where they call the name, it not they talk. Except another person. You understand me? I beg una, my brothers and sisters. Not be what you carry una con Europe. What you carry una con Europe, say, no come fight daily bread for na papa and na mama. No, una can't be the leader tomorrow. Una can't find money. If you don't see money, una find work. Paris they do normal job, black job there. Now call your carry court, put for head. So you back. Enemy bodo. I know I can't they pull my mouth for all this kind of thing. It no good. It no good. For real, it no good. I know many people where it did. Before you go talk, say court level, they don't come off for where you did. They don't want to hear that. They don't want to use ear. They hear that. I hear a phone from you. They know they use a rob mat. Paris, so you're told to another thing. Any small thing, you just go party now. Party where person you use money. That person will use money to organize the party. Maybe he get okay. Me I tell you one story. He get one of our sister that time. He pikin want do birthday. As he pikin want do birthday, all of us go as club. That time they meeting. That time they want meeting for Paris. That time, as all of us reach there, oh never even start. Everybody don't sit down. They say they wait for many people. Now pikin birthday be this one. Pikin birthday. Nobody say tell you my high reach. Some I don't go many dance. where they just scatter like that. You understand me? As we go that party, we just sit down. As we just sit down, he get one boy. The boy pass us like this. And the boy pass, I don't know what happen. If you ask me what happen, I know if it talk. The next thing where we hear, bottle. No, not as Guinness bottle strong now. Bottle of top of that, only that boy head. People will use bottle, they hit that boy head. He reached almost 5 or 6. If I'm lying. He reached 5 or 6, if I'm not lying. What did the boy do? Me, I don't know. Pikin, the person will do birthday. He pikin, they never start. He pikin never cut cake. Na so Igbo. Don't let me. That's what they hate themselves for. Igbo for one person head. Whether that boy survive or he don't survive or I don't even know. Now so they call police. Police come. Not be say police, so all this one are people where they Paris go know the kind of police we are one call. Gendarmerie. They come, they block everywhere. Everywhere. That day, I will carry my daughter go. Now Pikin birthday. They block everywhere. See blood everywhere. This girl never would do party. They never would start to the dance. If Pikin never would cut cake. Whether that boy still be alive or whether not be alive, if you see blood, that's why they shout. That's why police block all the whole hall. They block everywhere. What did they start to do? They control. That's why you can't get paper encore. Sure, you go house or you go prison. Start to they control. If I'm not lying, because now what in my eye see, now they talk so. They over come meet me. Madame, papier. Madame, papier. Now I open my wallet. Monsieur, see my papier. They carry my book, my document like this. They check that the radio. They check that the radio. They check that the radio now they give me. The next thing where they ask me, they say, why me carry Pikin come this kind of party? Now I say, I don't know. Na birthday, na Pikin they do birthday, now I carry and come. That's what the man come to say me, I carry my Pikin go ask. The other woman, that's what they tell her. The other woman, that's what they control. People will not get control. That's what they block everywhere. Carry van, they pack all of them come out. The person where do party, they put that person for problem. They say make that person come meet them for police station. May go police station. As he go police, they can't so that lady to court. Person invite you now. Come follow me chop. Come follow me celebrate. What you now will do? Not to break bottle, not to spoil person party, to destroy everything. No. No. I know say they do party for my children. They do birthday for my children. They never spoil my own. I know people lie for their head. They never spoil my own. You understand me? You still get some kind of people where you still invite, talk to them in a way they'll still understand you. Say yes, I need to give this woman respect. You understand me? At least, no matter anything, na person, na money that person use, na money she use, he invite you, say, may you come. If you say no, if you invite you, at least you see come, sit down, a cut your forehead, they want the right cut for forehead. Eh? Why? It's not fair. Some big men where they see for all these musicians, they do, but not they use all the rub mat. Eh? Wanna take her music for Paris, eh? Wanna take her music. And this lady wanna use chair, take beat. I know her. Right from the one, I know her. Not the person where they talk. If you need the trouble, he go give you. And the person where get soft heart. You understand? They forgive, they quick forgive. But if he enter a head now, like, he must do you what he want to do before he will forgive you. I beg, if na person when they call his name, now the one way I know, I beg, wanna try, wanna go beg that woman. Wanna go beg her. Because that woman not be person where they find trouble, like me. Not they look for trouble. I know her since 2000, if I'm not mistaken, 2006 I'll be 2005. Now I know her. When the person where they find trouble, now you they do they go. Just carry chair. A old woman, you don't even know whether the something go meet and woman for that matter. Just use and wipe and I will slap you. Now your mate. Now your mate. When they just talking like that, now your mate. Person go carry your sister. You go say you want to slap your sister. How you go feel? How you go feel? Another person go you carry your sister stand say you go slap your sister. How you go feel? Or person carry your sister, you share, wipe your sister for woman for that matter. How you go feel? My brother, if not you, I know say you know they do all this nonsense. My brother, try to call that lady, go beg her. As he talk her, if he do her, no go see anything do her more. For real. For real. Everybody come this Europe, come hide. They not come Europe, come they look for trouble. They not come Europe, come they put another person for prison. Or come Europe, come they shoot another person. No. I beg. Now beg I day. Wanna stop all this thing. Wanna be brothers and sisters for Europe. People when me know for Paris where they do this kind of thing. Me, I never see them for all this nonsense thing. I can call it nonsense because now nonsense. Maybe what you not come out for us can't do. Eh? Wanna take on Mizo, my brothers. Now my brothers are still calling her. Wanna take on Mizi. I look very on here. They know they use life like this, eh? At least when a club goes still tell you someone still respect woman. Una be woman, but una get girlfriend. Eh? Now woman born una. I be una call say make una see the beat. I see that one that one when they take useless the girl, the one take do the girl. But mona change, mona change, mona change. My brothers, mona change. So na Europe, not be Nigeria, eh? Na Europe. I beg una, na beg I dey. Una still sit down one day say, ah, na true this woman still talk, or at least women no get power now. You feel slap and they go, you carry your put for ground. Eh? What do you want to talk? What do you want to talk? I beg una. I beg. Na beg I dey. Na beg I dey. Any small thing go say, you go tell you say my brother I dey cut. This one go say I dey cut. This one go say I dey. You know level. None this one. When level come, una go pick raise. When level come, una go pick raise. Una go, in short, una go borrow leg. Join leg take run. It no good now. Emma was your body what? No good though. Now try they tell you now. It no good for real. It no good. Now try they tell you now. At least this life they say you do for me, I do for you. Not be everyday fight for everywhere. Quarrel. Eh? So people don't know what to carry them come for us. It's not fair. I would not do you will carry your fellow human being. I so that don't want to do that day. Carry another person picking. Eh? They just bottle the tear. Eh? We not get conscience. I not get conscience at all. I not get. No good, eh? Oh my shell. I not get conscience. As when they see blood, they flow for person here. Una go stick there inside. Una say, yeah, I go kill you. I go do this. I go do this. I go do that. I go do this. I not decide una. Yes, I not decide una. If not the person where that they talk, or if not the person that they talk, brother, I know say you know they put hand for bad thing. If na IK when I know say not the poor hand for batting. Not be today I know IK. I know say IK will come beg you. I beg sister, may you not still verse. I beg. Now your brother, I beg. Now beg I dey. Yeah, I beg. Mama, I beg. Mommy D and G, I beg. Now beg we dey. Let me close this window, please. You understand me? Sorry, guys. Very important, eh? Mostly they get pity for ourselves. Mostly they get pity, love for ourselves. Okay, all this thing what would they do for Europe? We'll reach us one day. Now understand, not be some people where can't use Europe turn to their own household. I know say fear not will let them enter Nigeria again. That one don't cancel. You understand? No good. You understand me? No good though. Mona take am easy. Mona just take am easy, my brothers and sisters. Emma, I have a life in now. I want to you sit down by yourself, think about yourself. No use as body to the pepper you to the tear your body. It's not fair. Pity for those, help those that don't have. People will still get safe. If you get plenty, give them inside. I'm my sister, my brother. I beg una. I beg I did. I know say as me be so. I get what we are supposed to talk. I just dey wait for some kind thing. I still dey wait. You understand? Before I start to the vomit, many things there we are supposed to talk, but I pause for the moment. You understand me? So guys, maybe my next video I will come and teach you guys how to do akpu. You know akpu, fufu. I'll come and teach you guys how to make fufu. Akpu, satana. I'll come and teach you guys. I'll come and teach you guys how to make how to bake short bread. Short bread. I know how to do it. I have many handwork in my hand. But I still they go out. So then I go out. I think I come out around 7:55. Because they start work 8. Now early morning work. That's why if you see my face, I look tired a little bit. You understand? So now it be the short video where I say make I just quick can do. You understand me? So I get some video where I will say make I analyze, but maybe towards in the evening, or because I will go to work in the evening also. I will come and analyze it. We'll talk about it. Please don't hesitate to share my video. Please help me to share and like and love. Follow the page. Please, 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 please. Please like and follow this page. I love you guys. I really love you. I really love you. So kind of video where I see us now laugh one year kill me. I know say if I say me I talk about her, my sister will you go fire me say I defend trouble. No, I not defend trouble. And she dey cry because something they touch me. Anyway, she maybe 12 evening time. I will come and come talk to her. You understand me? Why you understand me? So anyway, my friends and followers, I really appreciate you guys. Love you. Thanks for watching. Please don't hesitate to share this video. I love you guys. So I will go to work maybe around there. What is the time now? Before 4:30 now. I will go to work 4:30. Yes, 4:30. So that I will go and be dressing up. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video for me. As you share this video, may the Lord Mighty bless you. Allah, I share video well. I like and love, like and love, like. Oh, my mommy in the house. Allah, try to follow this page. Follow this page, mama. Follow this page, you must still play our daddy music. Must still play our daddy music. Oh. Our daddy music. We need to play our daddy. Okay. Oh, my lady. Hey, yeah. Sandra, how are you? Don't worry, I will come out because I don't have more time to be staying, but don't worry. One day I will try to be staying long. I will try to be staying long because I get many things to talk about because of my work. That's why. Please like, follow this video.